Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making some Baiganee or eggplant, fried eggplant. So if you guys would like to see how to make this easy and delicious recipe, keep watching. To start this recipe, I already sliced my eggplant and I sliced it to about just more than 1/4 of an inch, if so much, but not 1/2 an inch. That's a little too thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be salting the eggplant on both sides and we're going to leave it to sweat. So it's going to draw out some of that moisture. Set that aside, let's work on our paste. So to my paste, I have 1 cup of split peas puree. I just soaked the split peas overnight and I blended it into a very fine puree. Now to that, I'm going to go in with some split peas powder. If you didn't have split peas powder, you can use double the amount of split peas puree and add a little bit of flour to this mixture. So about 1/4 cup. So mix both ingredients together really well before adding any additional water. There is water in that puree, so that's why you want to mix that first. Now I'm going in with water to bring it to a more of a spreadable paste. And we're going to add in baking powder, cornstarch, it's going to help get it really crunchy, green seasoning, and salt. Now you can add some turmeric powder to this if you wanted to, but the split pea puree is going to get us that really nice yellow color that I need. So I'm going to give this a mix, and once it comes together and it's a nice spreadable consistency, just set it aside. Let's check on the eggplant. Now for the eggplant, you'll notice that the paper towels that we had it on, it's wet. You'll see that it looks like it's sweating. You want to pat it dry. Pat it dry on both sides, and once you pat it dry, the next step will be to take that delicious paste and paste it on both sides of the baigan/eggplant. You guys see how the paste is staying on? That's what you want. Now you can also use a combination of chickpea that you soak and the split pea. Just like my kachori video, you can follow that and use the kachori as the paste for the outside of this. We're going to fry it on medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes, or until they're golden brown and they're cooked all the way through. And once you fry them and they're brown, you drain them on your paper towels and then they're ready to be served. That's how easy it is to make this recipe. So I'm going to continue frying the rest of the baiganees until I've fried out all of them. I like serving it with coconut chutney, or you can use mango chutney, whatever you like, tamarind chutney. I'll link all of those recipes in the description box for you. So thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to continue to stay safe. If you make the recipe, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.